It is 3 minutes until oil news release. What are we seeing on oil? We know extremely well that bearish trend at the end of the minor trend. This is what oil had been doing for the last over an hour, reminding us the importance of this level. Price is dancing, dancing, dancing. Will the buyers step in with vengeance, or will price continue collapse? Bottom line, this morning we came to the markets and we're witnessing clearly bearish trend overextended. Bearish trend at the end of the minor trend. That's precisely the reason why oil had been finding buyers that had not been making very far. Will they finally find the power and blast through? News in 2 minutes. Expectations on oil are plus 0.5 ME. So the fight is on. Oil at crucial support levels. Two things will happen. Oil will find powerful buying power or will collapse to drastically lower levels, spelled out by the price since Monday. Levels to the downside 74.16 and 72. The power of the buyers will determine if this is the end of the bearish trend, or if bearish trend is minor, or if price will continue drastically lower. So, who will win? Is the bearish trend over? Is it minor trend? And S&P just again reminded you the importance of reversal zone. Why I said ain't longs for us here. S&P just staged 3 points collapse to the downside. So, monitoring oil, monitoring oil. The end of the minor bearish trend is in. Will buyers pick up this steam with vengeance? We know extremely well to ignore everything oil does the first 5 minutes after the news release. We know extremely well to respect what oil does only after oil will settle down. Oil news is out, traders. Here's oil news. Completely conflicting info. What are we seeing? We do not have enough oil. Minus 1.7 versus plus 5 ME. So what should oil do? Oil should rise in price. How come that is not what's happening? How come oil is collapsing and heading until 74.16? We don't really know yet. We're just monitoring oil. We're ignoring everything the first 5 minutes. Oil is known for fake outs. But once again, you just witness a collapse of 50 ticks in a blink of a second, completely contradicting what news had been telling us. So here we go. What will oil do? Will buyers step in with vengeance? The end of the minor trend is in. Collapse of 50 ticks. Was it temporary? Was it only a fake out? Morning. Oil is flying. We're long. Here we are. The importance of the end of the minor trend in a play reversal zone had been reached. Take it, would you? Move your stop to break even. S&P collapsing to reversal zone to the downside. Everybody is clear. 3.5 points on S&P. Second target is in to the downside. Oil is in to the upside. Clear? Do not ever ignore reversal zone. You witnessed the ultimate torture. You witnessed what's been happening on S&P. So do not ignore your reversal zones on your trades. If oil is blasting through reversal zone 75.79, my trade migrates into a larger time frame. I will go into the wave expansion. We waited patiently. We didn't touch oil the first 5 minutes. Then we took a trade. But we know the importance of reversal zone that oil reached by a tick. We know the importance of reversal zone when we came to S&P this morning, suffering through ultimate torture. Finally, S&P is behaving marvelous. Trail carefully. S&P blasting through reversal zone. We're migrating into larger time frames. Is that clear? Short on S&P from 2041. Everybody trades different lot size. Trade accordingly. Do not ignore. Reversal down is to be respected. Will oil on the second try around blast through reversal down? That's the importance of keeping your profits in check, moving your stop to break even. 20 ticks later, 25 ticks later on oil. And that's the power of the price, traders. And that's the power of reversal down. Do. It don't matter what you trade. It don't matter if it's S&P, your marvelous short trade in reversal zone. It don't matter if it's your marvelous long trade on oil. Will it blast through reversal zone second time around? Will it blast through all of my levels and migrate into a larger time frame? Will S&P do the same? Finally, out of worthless chop. If you know your levels, you know what to do, and you know to respect and adore reversal zone. And you know and remember, if you are not an experienced trader, you have no business trading oil. And you know and adore, if you took S&P short, trail carefully. 4 points later. We are out of our marvelous trade on oil. Reversal zone was reached. Time and time again reminding you. Everything preset in price, far in advance. Do not ever ignore that. Let's see what oil will do next. Our marvelous trade on S&P made it to very crucial level. Very crucial level 6 points later. Let me give you the levels to the downside. Are you ready? Next level 2034. If 2034 is broken, S&P is collapsing too. 2032 and 2030. Let's take a look. The same thing as I spelled out to you on oil long time ago. If oil breaking, it's collapsing to 74.16 and 72. S&P is finding buyers in reversal zone. Is it going to do the same thing that oil done? Is it going to find buyers like it had done since pre-market? I don't know. I just respect what price is telling me and play by the rules. That simple. We knew extremely well that it was very temporary push to the upside. We knew extremely well that daily price spelled out to us months ago. Next level is 72.54. In day trading room, I demonstrate the method on hourly. After our bullish trade had ended in reversal zone, this is next level. After that level is broken, next level is 72. My marvelous trade on S&P, 5 points later, remains stuck in reversal zone. If 34.75 is broken to the downside, I'm going into the wave expansion. Do not forget, this is crucial level. Crucial. Next, this, and let me tell you further projections. Are you ready? Here we go. Those are levels to the downside on S&P. 2031.75, 2028 and a quarter, and all the way to 2022. Sellers are here with vengeance. They mean serious business. Serious business. Oil sellers are here with vengeance. News means abso-freaking-lutely nothing. Nothing if it contradicts the news. That's why I love oil news days. Price supposed to be rallying. We have 4 times less supply on oil. We took advantage of that. My trade on very small time frame ended in reversal zone and collapse continued, as spelled out by the price, since last week on hourly chart. S&P in reversal zone 3. Everybody clear? 8 points later. Once we break through 20.3475, my next target is 20.31 and a quarter. Everybody clear on that? If this level is broken, S&P collapses drastically lower. Only you know what time you trade. Only you know how far you want to trail. I don't exercise ego and greed. I exit everything at decision point 2. I know that trending market plays out only 20% of the time. I am not the type to go through pain and torture, because I know extremely well it takes 9 times as long to recover from stressful situation. S&P at the end of the minor trend, 8 points later. Again, my projections, it would be very temporary support. My projections that after that temporary support, picture perfect reminder what not to enter into, which is what oil had been doing for almost 2 hours this morning. I expect to see S&P here and then here. And if you know the rules, you know what to do, as you may find buying opportunities in that area, but only if rules are met. As expected, marvelous collapse on S&P is over for now. We're out of this trade, 8 points. The end of the minor trend is reached. S&P staged quite a lovely push to the upside for 3 points. So this is what we accomplished so far this month. S&P 15 trades, 12 positive, 12 trades made it to our targets, 9 trades made it to reversal zone or further. Oil, 17 trades, 13 trades positive, 13 trades made it to our targets, 10 trades made it to reversal zone or further. That's simple. And again, Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp starts in December. 8 weeks starts the day you sign up. Sooner you sign up, more prepared you will be for the bootcamp. In the bootcamp, I will be teaching not just basic strategies of the course, but advanced strategies. This is something I do only once or twice per year. You will get a quadruple amount of education. It would be absolute blast. We'll be trading without any interference from visitors, none whatsoever. And that's the most exciting time for me to be with students.